Ready for your confessional?
I'm not sure.
Get your microphone.
Oh, okay.
We need drinks.
Looking at the camera. Yeah, you go first.
Champagne.
Y'all ready?
It would have to be sunscreen. Hit 28, so I'm very into like anti-aging.
Oh, are you calling me old indirectly?
No, I'm not calling you old.
I would probably bring a blanket.
Oh, you're not trying to get saved. You just want to be cozy.
You know what I was gonna say?
What? Chomps.
Me. No. Well, that goes without saying.
Probably some tequila.
I guess it would be on the rocks.
Yeah.
Can't be a food item, so I mean, I guess it could.
Honestly, I'd probably bring a razor before a toothbrush.
That's kind of gross. Just saying.
Hair situation.
Well, it's okay.
Super Goop glow screen because it's gonna be sunny on that deserted island. Keep my skin from burning. Instant win. Instant win.
How'd we do?
Thanks for having us.
Now we're gonna really go get margaritas.
Hunt.